got sugar and oatmeal. What's up, guys? And welcome to our next chapter. Today we have the Do Not Pick the Wrong Toppings Challenge. Behind me is a series of balloons with random toppings. We have no idea what's gonna happen, but let's find out. You ready? Here we go. Okay guys, so we got a series of cakes, brownies, and donuts in this little glass bowl. We're gonna pick and we're gonna be assigned a specific thing. So we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna go youngest to oldest, okay? So Gibran, you go first. Pick your cake. Which one did Gibran get? Oh, let's show the camera. Gibran got the cake star. So the cake star is this one. Now it's Camila's turn. So Camila, pick your cake. Let's see what you got. Brownies. Show the camera, show the camera. Brownies. All right, Jeff, it's your turn. Big man in the house. Oh, Jeff, they got the donuts. So I guess that leaves me with the most unique cake of all. I got the cake man. Cake man. He looks like.
It looks like
That's a cake man.
That looks like a kid drew that.
Gibran,
Hey!
¿qué tú estás haciendo? No, don't eat the cake. No, don't eat the cake. Bebe, you gotta wait. Bebe, put the cake here. We're gonna put the toppings on your cake. Gibran, put the cake. Okay, guys, so we got all of our cakes. Everybody got a cake assigned, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the next thing we gotta do is we're gonna pick in this bowl, and we're gonna pick our liquid toppings, I think.
Yeah.
So
And we're still gonna do youngest to oldest.
we can do youngest to oldest again if you want. So Gibran, pick a paper and let's see what color you get. Ooh, Gibran. Oh, got the blue balloon. Camila, it's your turn. See what color Camila gets. Which one did you get?
Green.
Green. Camila got the green balloon. Jeff, there, it's your turn. The orange one. This one looked pretty gross, so have fun with that.
No, that looks like chocolate to me.
I don't think that's chocolate. That looks more like soy sauce.
Ew.
But I don't know. And I guess I'm stuck with the purple one, guys. Look at this thing. It looks red in there. Like, I don't know. What is that? Kool-Aid?
No.
It's super watery.
I think I know what that is.
Cough syrup? Oh, man.
I'm not telling you.
All right, guys.
I know what that is.
So everybody has their balloon, and we're all gonna pop it at the same time. So everybody,
We're not popping it.
we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it at the same time. So Gibran, you gotta put it over your cake. Why my cake? Put it over your cake. Okay, so guys, everybody has to grab a scissors. So let's grab scissors.
I'm just gonna.
Hazlo encima de tu cake. Encima de tu cake.
No,
Oh my goodness.
you can't do that.
I guess I get double toppings, guys. Delicious. All right, so on the count of 3, we're gonna cut the bottom of their cake and we're gonna find out what we have, okay? So, you guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1! Let's go! Oh, let's go! Oh! Camila! Who made this challenge, guys?
I think there's some syrup.
What is going on?
I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. So let's smell it, guys. Let's see what we got.
Syrup. Definitely syrup. Maple syrup.
Well, it smells kind of like a fruit, like cherries or right? It smells like
it's regular. I don't.
it's like cherries or lemons or it's citrusy for sure. I don't know. I got double toppings, so I think I got.
He did something bad.
Bebe did a prank on me. Look at Bebe's perfect cake, and then I got his toppings.
This little boy sees something from that one of the balloons, and he thinks it's bad. He's gonna put it on his father's.
Yeah. So either way, I lose. Now we're gonna pick from the balloons back here. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of. Ibrahim, go ahead to papel. Get your paper. Let's see what you got. What color? What color did you get? Oh, he got the green one. So Gibram, we have 4 green balloons. Which one do you want to pick? So Papa can give it to you. You want that one? Okay, here we go. Okay, Gibram, so you have to hold it. Here's your balloon. Next is Camila. Camila, pick your piece of paper. And let's see what you got.
Green too.
Oh, she got green. So which one are you gonna pick? Green is for throw up, so I guess you guys are out of luck. You want that one? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, there's no takesy backsies. Oh, here you go. Jeff, your turn. Let's see what color. Gibram, you're gonna prank me again?
Wait a minute.
Oh, Jeff, they got silver, and there's no way we can see in those. So there's only 2. Which one do you want? The top one? I hope it's something. Let's see. I can't see nothing, people. This thing is it's dark.
It's kind of like powder.
I think you got like a powdery type thing. Let's see. Oh, I got silver, people. There's only 1, so yeah, I guess that's the one I'm getting. Okay. Moment of truth, people.
I am looking at the camera.
Familia. Family.
All I have to say, I didn't look at the camera, but.
So next step, guys. Everybody's gonna grab one of these. You don't go ahead. And on the count of 3, wait. On the count of 3, we're gonna pop it over our cakes. I guess I'm getting double toppings again, guys. So on the count of 1, 2, 3. Oh! Camila. What happened, Camila? What is that? Dame tu pin. ¿Dónde está tu pin? Camila, you got flour or something that looks like flour?
That's flour.
Oh, I got not. Look, guys, I didn't get that bad stuff. I got
Almonds.
tricks are for kids, and I got almonds. So that's not that bad.
It's flour.
Camila got something that looks like flour. Let's taste it. Let's taste it and find out.
It's flour.
It's flour. And Jeff, again, I don't know how, but he keeps getting good stuff. Look, he got sprinkles and chocolate on his donut. It's like a Dunkin' Donuts party over there. So, all right, we still got more paper to grab from the glass bowl, and let us know what color you got.
We got blue.
Oh, Bram got his favorite color, and it's the only one that's hanging up. So, Bram, here is for you. I hope it's something good, delicious. Your turn. Pick a piece of paper.
Purple.
Which one are you gonna get? There's 5 purples. All right. So. Ooh. Have fun with that. Jeff, your turn.
This is good.
You got 2 options, buddy. You did the top one? All right. Yo, you need to rub some of that luck on me, man. Cause I'm not having any luck over here. I'm not gonna look, guys. I'm not gonna look. Oop, this feels like a lucky one. Oh, I got green, the only one that's here, so, okay. Oh, no. Alright, guys, same thing. On the count of 3, we're gonna pop it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I got oatmeal. I got oatmeal. And
the thing I got.
What else? Sugar? I got oatmeal and sugar, guys. That would mean that wasn't that bad.
The sugar was mine.
That was yours?
Yeah.
What was Gibram's? Marshmallows?
Nice.
Yeah, marshmallows. Gibram got marshmallows.
I guess these are
But
mine.
so did Camila. Camila, you got sprinkles? You no tienen marshmallows. Jeff, they got sprinkles again? I feel like Jeff there, he cheated. So we got 4 balloons. One of them just fell on the floor. And they're all purple, guys. They're
So
all purple.
we don't have to pick from the thing because they're all purple.
So let's do this. Let's do this. On the count of 3, everybody grab the first balloon. you see.
Wait, but that's not fair. Okay, ready?
All right, guys, here we go. Same thing. 3,
3,
2,
2,
1. 1. What was that? That was kind of salty.
I don't know what I got.
Camila, you got more powder. Camila got more powder. She got more of that. What did you get, Jeff?
I got the powder.
You got powder too? I think I got sugar also. I don't know. Yeah, I got powdered sugar. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it now with the challenge. Except there's one more step. The one.
I'm not eating it.
Hey, that's what we gotta do. We gotta taste our cake. So, who wants to go first?
Probably you.
I guess I'll go first. Let's find out. Let's find out, family. Let's find out, guys, what this tastes like. I'm really not looking forward to it, but here we go. This is for you guys.
Yay! He's having it. He said it's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
See? He said it was
Oh my goodness.
good. Who's next? I think he should go next.
Oh. Guys, that's just not fair. He got a dunk. He literally got a Dunkin' Donuts served on his plate.
He's the most lucky.
He's the luckiest one here. He got all the good stuff. He got sprinkles, he got chocolate, he got sugar. Like, what more do you want on a donut? He got it. So, Camila? guys, just look at Camila's face. She's got sugar makeup on. Camila, it's all you. It shouldn't taste that bad. You got a brownie and you got sugar and... So guys, that's it for the challenge. I recommend you guys do that. You guys thought I was gonna say don't try this at home, but I do recommend you guys try this at home with your kids, with your family members. It was fun. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting it to be a lot worse, but we had fun. And yeah, my cake was nasty, but that's the whole point. So I think that's it with this video, guys. We love you guys. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Make sure you turn those notification bells. And what do we say, guys? We'll see you on our next chapter. Bye, guys.